Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to set up price alert on CoinSpot. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and also make sure to log into your CoinSpot account on a web browser. Once you've logged in, from the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile drop down at the top right corner, and in the pop-up menu, click on Price Alerts. Select the coin you would like to set an alert for and then select the alert type, the notification method you would like to choose for the alert, set the trigger for your price alerts, and then select whether you'd like to receive alert for buy price fluctuation or the sell price fluctuation. After you've done so, click on Create Alert and then you will be able to set up a price alert for CoinSpot. You can do so for any other coin you would want to receive alerts for or you're interested in. So that is how you can easily set up a price alert on CoinSpot. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.